Hey all, how we doing? It's Chris here from Technova, and today we're counting down the top 5 most powerful Bluetooth speakers of 2025. So, you want sound that slaps, bass that punches through your chest? You're in the right place. Now, I'm not just talking loud, I'm talking speakers that can shake your kitchen counter, impress your mates, and actually sound good doing it. Whether you're after deep bass, rich mids, or portable party power, this list is stacked with the best. And I've tested every single one of these myself, so you're not just getting specs, you're getting the real deal Technova truth. Stick around till the end, because number 1, honestly, it blew me away, and I do not say that lightly. Before we go full decibel destruction, remember all the links will be in the description with all the best prices, and will be updated if anything changes. Also, hit that subscribe button if you love smart, powerful tech. It really helps the channel grow, and it means more to me than you know. I can also keep doing deep dives like this every single week. Alright, let's roll. Kicking things off, at number 5, is a speaker that looks like it belongs in a Scandinavian design museum, the Anker Soundcore Motion X600. This thing is sleek, with its aluminium alloy frame, smooth top handle, and sci-fi style grille. It feels like a gadget Batman might casually bring to a barbecue. And the materials? You've got front mesh, metallic, premium feeling, no plasticky vibes here. Body, mostly aluminium with some subtle rubber underlayering for shock protection. Battery life, around 12 hours. Decent, not the best on this list. But hey, it's the first ever portable speaker I've seen that gives proper high-res with LDAC at this price point. Who's it for? If you love detail in your music and you want something classy and compact, the X600 is a no-brainer. Who's it not for? If you're looking to host a rave in your garden, you'll want more power. Keep watching. But the price for this currently in the US, on sale for $159, and the UK, also on sale for £187. Next up, the JBL Charge 6. Now listen, JBL isn't just a Bluetooth speaker brand, it's basically a lifestyle, and the Charge 6 keeps that momentum going. It's got that familiar cylinder design, fabric mesh front, and rugged rubberized ends, which by the way can take a beating. Chuck it in your bag, drop it by the pool, it'll just shake it off. It's IP67 rated, meaning it's fully waterproof and dustproof. Sand? Rain? Spilled cocktail? You're golden. Now the sound, punchy bass, not boomy, clear mids, slightly rolled off highs, so nothing too sharp. It's perfect for outdoor hangs, beach trips, or just annoying your flatmates in the best way possible. Battery life, 20 hours. Plus, it doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone from it. Why yes, JBL, we do love that feature. Who's it for? Anyone who wants reliability, portability, and a brand with swagger. This is the no-fuss choice that always delivers. Who's it not for? Audiophiles who want pin drop clarity or booming sub-bass. Keep going because the next few might surprise you. But the price for this currently in the US, on sale for $169, and the UK also on sale for £169, number 3 is where things get spicy. Enter the Sony ULT Field 5, a speaker that sounds as dramatic as its name. And Sony's not playing around here. The Field 5 introduces the new ULT Ultimate Bass Boost mode, which turns every track into a certified banger. It's like your playlist just down to double espresso. Physically, it's a chunky unit. Not heavy, but solid, like it means business. Front grille, a hybrid of metal and rubberized mesh, backed by passive radiators that visibly thump when the bass kicks in. It's almost hypnotic. You'll catch yourself just staring at it like, bro, chill. Battery life? 25 hours. Party features? Of course. Stereo pairing, app EQ, party lights, the works. Who's it for? Bass lovers, house party hosts, or literally anyone who wants to feel their music. Who's it not for? It's not the most compact. So if you're trying to pack light for a hike, this is a stay home and be loud kind of speaker. But the price for this currently in the US, $329, and the UK, £259. Now this one shocked me. And looking around other videos, this one hardly gets covered, and I listened. So at number 2, Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. I know, Tribit, but hear me out. This beast is insanely powerful for the price. You're getting 200 watts of output, massive bass, and full stereo sound in a shell that's basically built like a tank. 80-watt subwoofer with diamond reinforcement ribs, dual 45-watt mid-range drivers, and two 15-watt silk dome tweeters, the Stormbox Blast 2 delivers precise beats and notes. Its 2.1 channel design, powered by two advanced TI amplifiers, ensures balanced and dynamic sound, while dual large passive radiators enhance the bass for deeper resonance. Just what we all want, right? Design-wise, full mesh front, reinforced handles, matte plastic chassis, very rugged, very practical. Plus, RGB lights that pulse to your music. Is that necessary? No. Is it fun? Absolutely. Now here's the kicker. It's got a 4-speaker setup, active EQ modes, and it sounds way better than it should. Like you play this next to a speaker double the price and people get confused. Battery? 30 hours. Insane. Also charges your devices via USB-C. Who's it for? Anyone who wants power on a budget, loves big sound, and doesn't mind turning heads. Who's it not for? If brand recognition matters to you, this one won't flex as hard at the pool party, but your sound will. But the price for this currently in the US, $299, and the UK, £279. But if you're fast, Amazon has a £60 off voucher. Wow. Meaning you can pick this up right now for £219. And this is certainly a steal you don't want to miss if you're in the market for one right now. Trust. And at number 1, the Bose SoundLink Max. Look, Bose didn't just enter the chat. They walked in, dimmed the lights, and dropped an absolute masterpiece. This is Bose's most powerful portable speaker ever, and wow, the sound is pure theater. Insane clarity, punchy lows, silky vocals. It's like a hi-fi system got shrunk down and injected with charisma. Materials? Premium metal grille with a perforated finish, soft touch silicone rubber on the top and bottom, built-in carry strap with fabric padding. Classy touch. It's weather resistant, not fully waterproof, but still fine for most everyday use. Battery? 20 hours. App support? Yep. Price tag? Spicy. But you're paying for refinement, and trust me, it delivers. Who's it for? Anyone who wants elite sound in a luxury portable package. Think backyard dinners, travel, or just flexing on your mates. Who's it not for? Budget-conscious folks. This is the splurge pick. And the price for this currently in the US, being the most expensive, is $399, and the UK currently on sale for £329. But this thing is a beast. So there you have it. My top 5 most powerful Bluetooth speakers of 2025. And remember, powerful doesn't just mean loud, it's about clarity, design, usability, and vibe. If I had to pick one for most people, honestly, the Tribit shocked me, but if money was no object, that Bose is built different. Drop a comment and let me know which one you'd take home, or if there's a sleeper hit I need to test next. And hey, if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest tech breakdowns. This is Chris from Technova, signing off and signing loud. Catch you in the next one.